coming.
Who's coming?
Supervisor is coming. Hello.
No. Congratulations to your house.
Oh, congratulations to myself. To myself.
To yourself.
We bought this house. Look at how it's so nice neighborhood.
Yeah.
And,
okay.
This is our neighbor cutting the grass. This is the house what we bought, and we will remodel this. It's a pretty cute cartoon house. This is from cartoons.
It's a cartoon.
Yeah. We are planning to remodel this house and make this house nice, and then we will give you the answer. So, we're coming, entrance from garage.
So we're gonna take all this off, and then this is the existing one. You're gonna take that off.
This wall will not exist.
Okay, and this wall is gonna be gone. And here, this window, we're gonna cut that opening towards a new addition.
This window will be cut here.
Where
This will not exist. This wall.
yeah, exactly, all the way down, all the way down.
Everything.
Yeah, it's gonna be the entrance towards the new addition. We're gonna build a 20 by 20 addition.
Come and show up outside
Yeah.
where we'll look at. How we'll look at actually.
There you go.
So this is the backyard. And this is existing like some porch. This
Yes, of
all
course.
will be gone. So existing. Here somewhere?
No, the addition is gonna be here, all the way here. So it's gonna be 20 feet here, 20 feet here, and then 20 feet in the other side. And that's where you're gonna build your new kitchen. And then over here, you're gonna take this off. We're gonna turn it into everything is gonna be brick.
Yeah, like a stone.
Stone, yeah, stone, yeah. And then the roof is gonna be level with the existing roof, basically. On this side here, we're gonna build a garage there. Basically, now she's moving.
It's a living room full of stuff.
Yeah.
So
Still
what
level
we're
up.
gonna do here, we will change the windows. This fireplace will be changed also. That's the entrance door. So we will also finish the porch outside, like what you say. This porch needs to be done. So this is a very small place.
Yeah, this is gonna get bigger.
What we're gonna do?
We're gonna extend it. So we're gonna extend a bigger porch here.
So we will not have a step.
There is gonna be a steps. And then this door here is gonna be wider.
Hallway, hall with some
Closet,
small
pantry.
closet. Yeah, somewhere was a entrance for attic. Oh,
There.
this is a master
Master bedroom.
bedroom. Did you show?
Yeah, so proposal is we're gonna turn this into a 1.5 bath. This is the existing, so we're proposing to install a new wall here.
Not high.
There's nothing you can do with that. So anyway, so the plan there is you're gonna have to have a door there going towards the toilet.
Sliding.
So if you want sliding, yeah, that's good too. So yeah, sliding door, that's a good idea.
Did you find a bird outside? The bird nest?
Oh, okay.
Huh? So this window will be changed also. All these windows is going out. All these windows going out because this is very, very. How many years these windows have? What do you think? Okay, so you're making a hole now?
Yes.
What for?
30 inches.
And we also have a helper here. Helper, name is mine. What you're doing, John?
So I'm visualizing the door for you. So 79. Okay, that's your door to your toilet. So what do you think? Do you agree or no?
Yes.
Okay. So that way, this is your bedroom here. Oh, what's up? Sorry.
Wash it, baby.
So when you have your bathroom here, your bed is going to be on that side, and then that's going to be a door going towards your bathroom, full bathroom here.
That will be
So we're gonna take this off, and then there's gonna be a wall here, and then we're gonna install a new kitchen. I mean a sink here on this side.
Listen, this is our temporary table, and I will bring your chairs now.
Temporary table. You bought a new lawnmower.
Everything new. She keep her very, very clean.
We're gonna demolish that wall.
Yeah?
Yeah, the gas. Yeah, because we don't know if it's still connected.
Light, left, right. Even light. Oh, she doesn't have a light
So
inside.
it's probably yeah. But don't
Oh, look at the watch.
Yeah.
Is this working?
It's an old stuff, yeah.
No, look at the cabinet.
And this ceiling fan, that's gotta go.
Huh?
That's gotta go. No ceiling fan.
Now look how she keep everything clean. You don't have anything, any dirt, any oil inside. Look how it's everything clean. She's very.
So why do you wanna take it off then?
We can hold this in our barn if you want.
Yeah, if you're gonna build the
For
barn,
the
yeah.
tools and for so many
Yeah.
brush. Can you save this?
Of course, absolutely, yeah.
Or even for the garage, you know, you can hang somewhere so we can close and keep everything clean.
Yeah.
But
So
you see how it's so.
we're gonna take this
clean.
off. We're gonna take it because this wall's gonna go. And then we're using this, she's using this temporarily.
Stove.
Stove.
Oh, she loved when I was cleaning this. Look how it, no spot.
Who the old owner?
Yeah. The owner was an old lady. She was originally Hungarian woman from Hungary.
The owner.
And she's born there, and the parents bring her here. First they was running away from the German. She was my client. She was like banana.
Before she passed away,
She had a wish to talk to the
and sell it to
people,
you, huh?
Tell them to sell to me without real estate, without anything, just
very good. Yeah.
Because we was talking, she was telling me during her life, this house will belong to you, Daniela.
Okay.
Šta radiš, John? Šta radiš? Šta radiš? 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 Šta radiš? Remodeling the bathroom? Open the door?
Yes, it's gonna be your door.
Vrata. Vrata.
Brata.
Vrata, door. So from one bathroom, we are making a two, actually 1.5. Let's check what the June doing now. Let's open the door. Can you see him? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is what this man doing. And now I will look at it. Look at this. This is remodeling in one day.
This is nice.
Very nice.
Where'd you find this meat?
Huh?
Where'd you find the meat?
I bought in Jewel.
Yeah.
No, in Jewel, in Mariana.
Mariana's.
Yeah. Bought one and get the one free.
Wanna try it? This is good. Look at don't look at the garbage. Look at the opening.
Alright. Hello. Nice to meet you. This is my master bedroom.
That's your master bedroom. Yep.
And the door will slide.
No, it's sliding from the in. It's from in here. The
Yeah.
door is gonna be outside here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sliding. Yeah,
That's what the most of the houses now have.
sliding.
With
Yeah.
the smaller bedroom,
yeah.
sliding door.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, let's eat.
Very nice. What you gonna do with this in the middle? You put this?
No, I'm gonna cut that.
Ah,
Yeah, I'm gonna cut that.
you can use that?
I can reuse it, but I'm gonna cut it.
Very nice. Good job. Good job, John.
Let's go eat.
Okay, come on in my kitchen.
Some more
Look at this. Look, we have a table from the porch. I make
So break time.
this almost done.
So it's daytime. Night.
Yes,
We're going home.
10 o'clock in the night.
I'm gonna show what we accomplished today.
Yeah.
Show it. Show it. Nothing really. That's all. Tomorrow is gonna be finished.
Are you going to take off this tomorrow?
Yeah. No. I'm gonna take this one tomorrow
What
and
about
then put the
tiles?
wall here.
Oh, not yet tiles,
Not
nothing.
yet though. I'm gonna put a wall first, so I can do the plumbing.
So you will take off all this?
Okay. Good night. We'll see you again tomorrow.